Coming off of a run at the Sanford Pentagon in the NSIC quarterfinals, Minot State men's basketball returned some key pieces from that team. 5 players that scored double digits or started double-digit games are back for the Beavers team that opened with a 4-1 record this year. Perhaps the biggest returner is all NSIC guard Khari Broadway, who leads the team with just over 14 points per game, hoping to become a better distributor this season.
The main thing I'm trying to grow at is just continue to find my teammates is just the main thing, because, it's just going to be a lot of traffic when I go into the lane and everything like that. So I just try to find different ways to, give my teammates a better openings and, when they're in the right spots, to just find them.
He just wants to keep learning about how to be a better basketball player. He wants to watch film, he wants to learn the reads of the defense and not just be out there playing hard, which he's always done, but also continue to learn and read the game and be a better point guard.
The Beavers open up a 2-game road trip at Bemidji State on Friday. Of course, looking ahead at their schedule a little later down the road. A couple Saturdays from now, they got UMary. Should be a fun rivalry game. Those two teams looking better this year.